the Lamoyan Corporation in the last 20 years. So please watch this.
20 years of happiness. From a simple aluminum tube supply, the Lamoyan Corporation persevered and innovated to create Happy Toothpaste, the leading Filipino toothpaste brand, not just in the country, but in the world, bringing happy smiles to every Filipino home and making it now available in different parts of the world. The first Philippine brand that passed the standards of the Philippine Dental Association. A multi-awarded toothpaste brand that continues to receive numerous awards and recognitions. More than just providing world-class products, Happy Toothpaste also prides itself with its corporate social responsibility. The Lamoyan Corporation is proud to employ and give free education to deaf and mute workers na ngayon ay bumubuo ng 20% ng all Filipino workforce nito. The Lamoyan Corporation has also put up schools for the deaf and mute. Truly, Happy Toothpaste is a symbol of Filipino excellence globally and a symbol of hope and inspiration to all Filipinos and the rest of the world, making a difference for the glory of God.
Ang Happy ay isang napakaganda at may pagmamalaki nating produkto na nagbibigay sa ating lahat ng happy smiles. Kaya ho, congratulations!
20 years na kayong kumukuti-kutitap and it's been my privilege na naging kapamilya nyo. Congrats, Happy, and more power! Mabuhay!
Bago pa ho dumating ang mga blessings sa buhay ko, kasama ko na ang Happy Toothpaste. Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala niyo sa akin. Happy 20th anniversary!
There is no limit to what you can do if you make God the center of your life. And Lamoyan has done just that. They have made Christ the center of their work. The Bible says, if you bless the deaf, God will bless you. With Him, all things are possible. Congratulations, Happy Toothpaste, because you have been a real blessing to us.
Higit sa magagandang ngiti na nagbibigay din kayo ng magagandang buhay at pag-asa sa mga kababayan nating may kapansanan. Happy anniversary!
It makes me so proud to be associated with not just a company, but a family that shares the same vision for Filipino excellence globally. Happy 20th anniversary to the Lamoyan Group and to Happy Toothpaste. Mabuhay kayo!
And live on ASAP 08, let us celebrate the 20-year journey of happiness. With the String Sonata and the Steam Foundation Deaf Community, we bring you a proud happy endorser and world-class artist, the pop star princess, Sarah Geronimo.
Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their heartbeat, half can hear them break. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it
Thank you, String Sonata, and to the Steam Deaf community, and of course, Mr. Homer Flores on piano. At mga kapamilya, ang happy maging part ng Happy Family is Sarah Geronimo.
Yes, congratulations po sa Happy Toothpaste at sa Lamoyan Corporation for 20 years of success. Isa po kayong patunay na ang Pilipino ay talaga namang world-class. And I'm proud to be part of a company na talagang naniniwala na ang bawat Pilipino ay may kakayahang maging world-class.
Correct ka dyan, Sarah. Nako, ganyan kabilib ang Happy Toothpaste sa mga Pinoy. World-class quality from a proudly Pinoy product. Yan po ang Happy Toothpaste. At sa kanilang 20th year celebration, meron silang mga bagong world-class products na aabangan mula sa Happy. Ano ba yan, Sarah?
Yes, ako, marami-rami ito. At tama ko dyan talaga, Nikki. Today, makikilala nyo na ang 4 na bagong Happy Toothpaste variants for your different needs. Happy Night Mint, ang tooth gel that works overnight. Meron itong chamomile extracts, peppermint, at whitening for whiter teeth and fresher breath sa umaga. Maganda yun.
Maganda yan.
Happy Complete is the tooth gel with more than a dozen benefits. At ito lang ang toothpaste na may guava leaf and green tea extracts.
Wow.
Happy Extreme Clean naman ay ang tooth gel na may deep penetrating crystal granules that gives you a feeling of dentist clean teeth.
Okay yan.
Diba? Ito pa, Happy Gum Tech Advance ay merong tinatawag nating triple action gum formula, ang dynamic desensitizing system na nagtatanggal ng pain at discomfort para sa may mga sensitive teeth. Huwag na tayo mag-dentist.
Wow.
Oo, no? Parang andyan na lahat.
Kompletong-kompleto. At ang mahalaga sabihin dito, you get world-class quality products na abot kaya ng bawat Pinoy.
Yes.
So, tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating pag-smile at pagiging happy.
Yes, guys, andito ngayon si Happy!
Happy,
Ayun siya!
are you?
Para mamigay ng mga samples ng mga world-class new variants ng Happy Toothpaste.
Again, congratulations to Happy Toothpaste and of course the Lamoyan Corporation. May you continue to bring happiness to people everywhere here in the Philippines and of course the rest of the world. Congratulations.
Congratulations and more reasons to stay happy as ASAP 08 returns!
The 80s rock. They rocked the world then and are coming to rock Manila again. Don't miss the Red Carpet Massacre. Duran Duran, live in Manila. April 10 at the Araneta Coliseum. Brought to you by MTV and ASAP 08. Tickets available at Ticketnet. And now it's time to rock on with the Cover Boys Plus, Richard, Sam, Piolo, and Gary V.
You saw me stand